We'll guide you through how to fix Steam. Please check your password and account name and try again. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are, I'm trying to sign into my Steam account, but I'm getting the error. Please check your password and account name and try again. This problem is really annoying because I'm sure the password is correct, so we'll guide you through some different fixes you can try. So usually the problem is going to be because the account name is incorrect. You've got your profile name, email, and then account name on Steam. If you've got Steam open on another computer, you can try clicking the drop-down menu and finding it there. If you don't though, then what you need to do is on this computer is, if you've signed in before, you can do this. Open your file explorer and press this PC to the left, scroll up or down to find it. Find local disk, then program files, and you need to go and scroll down and you need to go and find Steam and come in here, come into config and find the config here. Right click, hover over open with and press notepad. You may need to go and press open with another app and then you can find notepad. Press edit and you need to go and find. You can type in account, press enter. You then see the different accounts you've signed in and the account name. So mine was Tutorial Tucker here. So I'll then go and copy that and I can return and I'll go and use that to go and log in and that should work. If you're still struggling to find your account name, press help, I can't sign in the bottom left. Press I forgot my Steam account name or password, enter in your email, press the link and you'll be brought here. And then what you can do is you can go and recover the account. What you can do is just see the account name here.